Hi, are you a beginning biker and you would like to become more safe and comfortable on the roads? Or maybe you're using our Stay Healthy streets right now, but you feel a little uncertain going back and forth from them. Well, today I'm going to share 3 tips that I've picked up over the years in my personal riding that have really reduced the amount of scary situations that I get into. So the first one is take your space. A lot of us think that we're being considerate by riding really far right on the road, but in actuality, you're not helping anyone, yourself or those around you. I'm going to show you here an example. So in this example, we have a bike lane, but we could also pretend that there's no bike lane here. If you're riding really far to the right, whether there's parked cars or not, it's especially dangerous with parked cars because of the doors coming out. But also if you're riding far right, then cars think that they have the space to pass you, which puts them even closer to other vehicle users. And say you get to this corner safely, if there's pedestrians coming out quickly, they don't have time to see you, and other vehicle users don't have a lot of time to see you. Do you see what I'm getting at here? There's just not a lot of time for us to see each other when we're not taking up our space. Now I'm going to show an example where we are taking up space. You come out into the lane, then the car will take its time to pass you until it has a full lane with which to pass. Vehicle users could open their doors, pedestrians can cross, this other vehicle has plenty of time to see you. We all have more time to react to each other, and we're all more seen. So really, take your space. It will not only make you safer, but it will make everyone around you safer. That's my biggest tip. The second tip is to assume that people can't see you. On a bike, you're relatively small and you're relatively fast. And often, vehicle users are looking out for other vehicle users and other big objects. Even if they are being very attentive, you're just often hard to see. So for example, in this situation, say that I, as a biker, want to come out into the lane. I want to make sure that people see me before I go. It isn't enough to assume, because assuming makes accidents. You need to look back, get eye contact or a confirmation to come out before you go. Always just assume that people cannot see you and act accordingly. That'll really cut down on the amount of scary situations. The third one is make slow mistakes. Notice I didn't say don't make mistakes, because you're going to make mistakes. It's part of just being alive in this world, especially on a bike. But the difference is make slow mistakes. Don't underestimate the power of just slowing down. So in this same situation, see that they're doing some construction on your bike lane. Pretend that you didn't notice this until very last minute. If you were to make a very last minute judgment call and still be going fast, you might want to come out really suddenly and cars might not see you, or stop really suddenly and there's people behind you. Just slow down so you can become aware of your situation, and so others can also become aware of you, so you can show where you're going or what you're doing. Just slow down. And remember, even if you're biking on the street, never go faster than what feels comfortable. You're under no obligation to keep up with the traffic or to keep up with a person behind you or in front of you. Just go whatever pace feels comfortable. So those are my 3 tips today. They're take your space, assume that nobody can see you, and make slow mistakes. I'm so glad you're getting out riding and you're going to figure it out as you go, and I hope to see you on the trails. My name is Amy Corber. I'm the Education Coordinator at Cascade.